Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. Today I'm going to teach you about randomization with R, or better to say random values. And the first function that we are going to talk about is run if. With first argument is going to be a number of elements that we want to retrieve from this function, let's say 5. Second argument is going to hold minimal value, let's say 1, and the third argument is going to hold maximal value, let's say 100. Now I'm going to use function as integer to cast this value to integers. If I run this code, this is going to be our result. So 5 values in between 1 and 100. Now, whenever I run this code again and again, I'm always going to get other values. That's because there is nothing like random values in computer technology. The only way in nature to get random values is from quantum source. Way computer calculate random values, it's much different than that. Computer uses seed value as base for calculation of random values. And that seed value is delivered from computer clock, which is excellent solution because that value is changing all the time. But if you want to avoid changes, what you can do, you could set your seed manually with function set seed, and I'm going to set it to, let's say, 800s. Run this code, and now whenever I run this code again and again, I'm constantly going to get same values because same seed is used for calculation. And now I'm going to comment this code because we don't need it anymore. And second function that I'm going to teach you today, it's rnorm. This function is used to create vector of normally distributed random values. So first argument is going to be number of values we want to retrieve, and then I'm going to provide mean, set it to, let's say, 25, and standard deviation of 100, something like that. If I run this code, this is a result we are going to get. Of course, I'm going to cast everything to integer just for simplification. I'm going to run this code again, and fine. And final function that I'm going to show you is function sample. In here, first argument is going to be collection that we are going to sample from. Let's say from 1 to 100. And second argument, it's a number of samples. Let's say I'm going to take 10 samples. If I run this code, this is our result. But now in here you could also use optional argument rep for repetition. With this argument set to true, we could actually pick same element from this collection multiple times. Now if I run this code, okay, I'm going to change this from 1 to 10, and I'm going to ask for 20 samples. If I run this code once again, I'm going to get this result. So we have 3 once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya.